How was that? That was all underneath 30 mile an hour. All of that was, believe it or not. A little location change, yeah. Different location means we've got a different vehicle. I recently won this car off Copart, right? On the basis that the damage that you'll see soon is very, very minor, very minor. So this isn't gonna be a 4 or 5 part series like the i30, which is still in the body shop. This is just gonna be a one video, just explain how much I picked this car up from, or how much I picked up this car for from Copart. We'll have a look at the damage. We'll have a few flyby shots of the car and whatnot, overall condition. Then we'll break down how much it will cost to repair and how much potentially it's worth once it's all finished.
I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby, I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in it's a coupe, and we gon' bring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that.
Here we are. We're at the goated place, man. This place has my heart, can't lie. It's where many money is spent. Many monies is spent at this place. Five Guys, Slim Chickens. This is just a daily attire, man. Daily attire, try and keep it low key. So what we'll do, we'll show the damage first. Why this car was actually writ off by the insurance. Category S, man. Joke, joke, absolute joke.
Can't even get it on the camera, it's that fucking minor. Point it out.
Point it out. Do you want me to rub it?
Caress it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Give it a few taps.
Right, it's embarrassing. That,
Joke. Joke. We've got our theories. Well, my theory is insurance scam. That's my theory. What do you mean? How does that work?
What do they do?
Well, if the car was before written off was worth 19-20 grand,
Yeah.
and he wanted 19-20 grand and downgrade his car, done that years ago, well not years ago, done that recently, written off easy, just like that. Because yeah, technically, if this is going down into the inner skin, the structure, yeah, it's structural damage.
It's not deep enough. You can see it's not deep enough.
I don't think it's that deep, but obviously the insurance company has to be conservative.
So, well, yeah, fair enough. But so we're quite lucky. Obviously, Shaun's got a contact. So how much you been quoted to fix it?
So to fix this,
This is what we've been quoted. It's family friends though, so
£400. £400, and that's to pull it out, filler, paint, obviously blend painting, and there's some scratches, and the bonnet has got stone chips on. So it's just addressing all that. £400. Obviously, big up the man them. Big ups to the man them. Big up Chris the Fire. So yeah,
that's literally all the damage.
that is it. That is all the damage.
Apart from like the wheels need refurbishing.
Obviously, that was previous. That was curb rash. Yeah, I managed to curb for all 4 wheels in 2 weeks.
But how much is your refurb set for wheels? 250.
I don't actually know. I don't actually
I
know.
think it's 250 from also for a place.
I don't actually know.
So you're looking at 650 altogether.
650 650 altogether.
Yeah.
400.
400 for that.
650.
250 for the.
650.
others.
That's what I said. 650.
And then you've got to service it.
Service oil.
Ourselves,
Yeah.
50 quid.
It needs servicing.
Oil
The oil change light came on 2 days before having it, which is great. It's just bad timing. MOT was due, and that was 40 quid. What else is there? There's a few, obviously, little niggles I've got. Brake light up there needs replacing, which is minor.
Yeah, that's
Absolutely minor. And washer fluid doesn't work. The pump's broke, so there's no screen wash at the moment.
After the MOT, bro.
Yeah. Just after the MOT broke. Yeah, just gotta put that out there. But yeah,
How much is it?
20 quid, I think.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, for a whole pump. Yeah,
All in all, you're looking at 750 realistically.
750 to get this baby perfect. And if you want to put tyres in there as well, $1,000.
£1,000, yeah.
$1,000
Like-
for all 4 brand new PS4s. $1,000.
So you paid how much?
11.6 was the winning bid
11.6.
altogether. No, 10.6 was the winning bid altogether. Fees delivery, £11,800, and I've got a driving vehicle with that,
So basically,
which is what I said.
well, yeah.
But I was thinking about all that in the back when you was just thinking about that. But that's fine. That's fine. That's if I was going to sell it. This baby's staying mine.
We are, well, Sean's keeping it. Sean's paid for it himself, really.
I paid this for myself. Credit card limit got slammed, but that don't matter.
Out, so
That don't matter because the other car's going. So, if you don't know already, this car comes 290 brake horsepower as standard. You got the big snail in the back, which you've probably seen some cutscenes on. But there's another view for you.
big snout, I don't know about that. It's like a garage.
Nah, it's a Garrett Turbo, man, hybrid.
290 brake.
290 brake. I don't know the torque. You're not really interested in the torque and all that. You're on about the BHP, yeah, the miles per gallon, all that stuff. Seat Leon Cupra and 290 Lux.
So with the looks,
With the Lux, off the top of my head, I don't actually know what's different from the normal ones. I think you get better lighting with the Seat lighting. You get the full leather on the inside, I'm pretty sure. Full leather. But the only sad thing about this, it doesn't come with like the bucket seats, the sport bucket seats, which is a bit upsetting.
yeah, we got full leather seats.
Full leather seats, as you can tell.
Automatic.
As you can tell, if you look at the, especially the passenger and the rear seats, these have barely been sat in.
The rear seats,
The rear seats don't even look like they've been touched,
they actually don't.
which is perfect, which is what I want. Because it's beautiful.
Also, you've got Digi-Dash.
Digi-Dash, yes. Digi-Dash, which is something I think the i30N really should have had.
Yeah.
Especially this day and age. It's
Doesn't the i20 have one?
the i20N
Has a Digi?
does, the i30 don't. I reckon it's because it's just an older model base. It just doesn't come with it, which is a shame. Flappy paddles,
Flappy paddles, heated seats,
keyless. Yes, that is such a massive convenience. I love keyless, even though your car gets robbed easier. It's just better. It's just way better. Sound system, it doesn't have seat sound, which is, again, that is upsetting. Standard speakers are okay.
They're not bad.
They're not bad. I'm coming from a 5 Series with Harman Kardon, so it's obviously a bit of a downgrade, but they're not bad. They are not bad. If you was upgrading to this car, you would be happy with it. You would actually be happy with it.
It's really good for a daily driver. It's well priced and
Especially if you get a good deal.
Huh?
Especially if you get a good deal.
Yeah, like we do. But if you're a car enthusiast and you want a little daily driver that's well priced, this is, I think,
It's like a little go-kart. Yes, you don't have the manual gears that you can slam into, but for easy driving, do you know what I mean? Especially if you're using it for a daily, stuck in traffic,
Yeah,
You've got ACC, adaptive cruise control. So you just whack that baby on in traffic, and it does everything for you. Yeah, it's good. Really good.
It's really good.
Really, really good.
But we don't. With the new car we have, we don't need no manual daily driver. We've got a little nice weekend toy, soft top.
Soft top
Weekend
coming.
toy.
Don't want to give too much away.
That's enough.
That is enough, because you'll see. I'm really excited because the summer's coming and that baby, it's going to be bouncing off the high rev range.
Oh, don't slip.
That's all I'm saying. That's it now. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
Man's flying, bro. Elbow delete.
Elbow delete!
You gotta show us a launch.
Launch?
Yeah.
What, we're right at the end of the road now.
No, at some point. Burn out your clutch. We're in Germany, just to let everyone know.
Yeah, we're on the Autobahn ski.
Autobahn. How's it been driving though, since you collected it?
Fine.
Bro, can't just say fine. You need to give you a bit more than that.
I wish I could give you many, many words. Actually, nah, the only thing that's lacking is the traction.
You reckon, have you got budgets on the front? What tyres on the
Nah,
front?
there's one budget and one like contact sport.
Any Pirelli?
Nah, that's a real one, that is. It's like a contact sport, bro.
Yeah.
Goodyear.
Stick 2 PS5s on there. PS4s.
PS4 S's.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mate, you'd actually be alright then.
Yeah.
Does it torque steer quite a lot?
A little bit, yeah. There's a bit of torque steer. Torque steer? Torque steer. Yo, cuzzy!
Yeah, we're dying here. I've just gone straight into traffic.
Just like that.
Just like that.
In traffic.
That's what happens when you try to do a drive-by at fucking, 5 o'clock in the afternoon?
That's what happens when you work full time. So let's just address not the elephant in the room, but something that I want to address is, I know how we said we was going to try and upload a video, maybe 2 a week or whatnot, but we've been uploading, we've tried to be on uploading a video every 2 weeks. Since the i30 has been in the body shop, which you'll see once we get an update video out for that, hopefully very soon, is we have been looking at all different cars and Copart on different auction sites like IAA or AIA or however you say it. There was a good few cars that did come up, but there was many.
We've been on a few cars, didn't we?
Yeah, we bid on a few cars, but the thing is, we don't have an infinite pot of money, so
You have to be within a certain budget.
has to be within a certain budget, because obviously we've got some money tied up in different cars.
Go on, cuz, send it.
We've got it tied up in different cars, do you know what I
We're
mean?
trying to do the Paul Walker looking at me. Alright, Paul, carry on in the Eva. Hang on, talking of Fast and Furious.
What? What about it?
The new car?
The new car?
Yeah.
The new car? Oh yeah. The new car that you guys don't know about.
Yeah.
You won't know. Soon will come.
Yeah, going back to what Shaun said.
Going back to what I'm saying, we're going off topic now.
I know,
we need to stay on
We're
topic.
too excited.
Too gassed. I've lost my train of thought of what I was saying. Yeah, two.
Infinite pot of money, you said.
Yeah. Oh, fuck's sake! Infinite pot of money. Yeah. We're not millionaires. We don't own many houses, many cars. We ain't got 40, 50 grand in the bank.
From the trenches.
We literally grew up in the trenches of Birmingham, near Handsworth. We've got out the trenches somewhat. So we can't just spunk money everywhere. We had to be a little bit smart with the money that we had, and that's where this car came into play.
Yeah.
And that's why you'll see what we brought the next one.
Yeah.
So you've seen all the cutscenes. You've seen how the car was damaged. As you can see, I've picked this car up 2 weeks ago.
About that, yeah.
2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that.
Got delivered.
This car's been perfect, touch wood. Touch wood. So you're probably wondering how much it cost me to win this car on Copart. So the winning bid was £10,600. And if you know about Copart, you've got your fees and whatnot, fees and delivery all included and whatnot. So the final figure for this car was around £11,800, which, considering the damage of the quarter panel, so obviously it needs pulling out, filler, respray. There's obviously age-related scratches, chips that needs addressing. So if you literally put, let's just put a conservative amount of £700 to fix this.
Slowing down, police. Must be police.
If you,
sorry.
yeah, cut that shit. We're coming back.
Where are the feds?
Where's the federales? Everyone's
feds?
flashing. Everyone's saying slow.
Speed camera.
You got scammed.
Get scammed. Where was it? Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, mate.
Never.
Everyone's telling us to slow
Everyone's
down.
telling slow down. Big up the public.
Fuck the safety cameras.
Fuck them, man. Parked illegally on flowers. How are these man parking on flowers, man?
Mate.
The disrespect.
Yeah, flash him, let him know. Yeah, we're doing our part for community outreach. Flash her, she's going a bit quick. Slow down.
All these men are probably thinking,
Slow down. Yeah, we're letting them know.
yeah, we're trying our best. Whether they listen to us or not,
He's definitely speeding. Slow down.
Yeah, she's looking like, what the fuck?
Slow down.
Yeah, my man knows. He knew. He's like, yeah, gat.
Stick your hand out the window, time to slow down, bro.
Nah, fuck them, man. They're too late now.
All I'm saying is that's community outreach.
Yeah, that's how the community, how it should be.
Giving back.
Giving back to the community, giving back to each other. So factoring all that needs to be done with this car, plus the
Birmingham Rose, mate.
plus a new tyre after that pothole.
Yeah. Build a council. Fuck 'em.
The total cost for this car to be 100%, you're probably looking just under 13 grand.
Yeah.
Which, if you look online at the moment, Auto Trader, similar car, but the same car, mileage, age is 19 grand. So if we just apply a principle of 20% for it being a Cat S, somehow it's a Cat S, because baffling.
That's not a car.
Cat
Well,
S.
it is, but Cat S, but so.
Do you know what I mean? We've made a bit of money.